Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to install the latest Ubuntu on Windows 11 using the VirtualBox. So first of all, we need to have the two software for that. The first one is VirtualBox and the second one is ISO file of latest Ubuntu. So open any browser whichever you use, and on the search you need to type for download Ubuntu. And once you search download Ubuntu, go to first link of the Ubuntu's official website. And as you can see here, this is the latest version as of now, 24.0.3.3 LTS version. And you just need to hit this button, just download option. If you want to see the system requirement, so this is the system requirement for it: 2 GHz dual core processor, 4 GB memory, 25 GB hard disk drive, and so on. So let's click on download. Additionally, we need to install the VirtualBox. So simply type for VirtualBox download and go to download option. And you should be able to see this Windows host. Now choose the location for Ubuntu, and let me select my C drive for that, ISO. And so I have selected the C drive for my Ubuntu. This will take around 20 to 25 minutes. It's around 5.9 GB. And also you need to install the VirtualBox for Windows host. Once the VirtualBox is also installed on your computer and this Ubuntu, so I will show you once the ISO file is downloaded. So it's downloaded guys, just you can see here. So once it is downloaded, you have to also download this VirtualBox setup. And also you need to make sure guys, open the task manager, and you need to make sure that virtualization is enabled on your computer. Once you see this screen, you need to click on performance, click on your CPU, and inside the CPU virtualization should be enabled. Otherwise you wouldn't able to install the virtual system in the VirtualBox of Windows or Ubuntu. Anyone, you don't able to do that. You can enable the virtualization from BIOS. Now once this is done guys, you need to run it simply. And I have already this setup, VirtualBox setup. So this setup will ask me to remove the previous one, but you need to install it. Okay, so once you install it, you need to just double click on this setup, VirtualBox. Now I have installed another machine on it, so click on new and name it Ubuntu. And this is the default folder location. You can change it. I'm going to change it to the other location in a D drive, and I'm calling it Ubuntu. Select OK. Now ISO file, you need to select the latest ISO file. Just go to other, and this is Ubuntu latest file here. Click on open. Now you need to untick this option, proceed with unattended setup. Okay, OS should be Linux, OS distribution should be Ubuntu. Default is already selected here. You don't need to do anything right now. Go to specify virtual hard disk, the hardware. Now you need to give at least 4 GB of memory as suggested by the Ubuntu website. So make sure you look for your install memory like this, and you need to give accordingly to, at least you can give half, and 4 GB is minimum requirement. And CPU also you need to give at least 4 core for better performance. Now you need to specify the virtual hard drive. The disk space is 25 is recommended, but at least you should give it to 50 GB like this. Now click on finish option here, and once you finish it, let's again go to the its settings and specify the network adapter to bridge adapter. Internet will also work fine with this option, and rest of the setting is video memory. You can select to max 120 MB. Now you can select everything as it is. Just click on OK and click on right click and launch the GUI. Powering up VM. It has launched. Now you can click on view and click on full mode screen. Let's switch it. Now click on try on install Ubuntu. Just press the enter key. You should able to get this kind of black color windows. Just wait. Choose your language according to your language. I'm selecting English, then click on next. Accessibility in Ubuntu. So let's click on next option. This is the keyboard language. I'm selecting English US, then clicking on next option. Used a wired connection. Do not connect to the internet. That is up to you. I'm selecting the wired connection. It will treat my bridge connection as a wired connection. Now we need to select install Ubuntu, then click on next. Interactive installation, just select that option, then click on next. Default selection is recommended, just select that option. Install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi hardware, just select this option, then click on next. Erase disk and Ubuntu, yeah, we are good to go that. Click on next. Create your username. I am creating Ubuntu. Select next. Now it is time zone is automatically selected. Well and good. Next. And this is showing up all the details here. So I need to select and install. So now this process will take some time, guys, and after that your installation will be done. Once the installation is done, you will see this kind of window. Restart option is showing up here. If you are facing any kind of error guys, just leave your VM as default setting. All the settings should be default, like don't change anything from your VM setting, just leave it. I got some error, so I leave everything as default. After that, display you can see, and also this setting as it is, nothing I have changed. And now I have successfully installed it. Now I'm restarting it. Just press the enter key. Now you can see you need to enter your username and password. And here is the view option. If you want to full size, just click on this option and just click on switch, and you should be able to get your full screen now. So you can skip these options, and now you can see if you are facing still any kind of issues just related to resolution, just right click on desktop and click on display settings, and from the drop down menu just select the different resolution which is supporting on your Windows. In my Windows it is showing up 1280 into 800, so this is supported. Now if you want to use and add another user into your account, just click on here, then click on settings. Just you can search here user, and you should be able to get this option. Then click on add user, but first you need to unlock your account this like this and authenticate it. Now you can use another user into your computer like this. You want to make it administrator or normal user, that's up to you. Just click on add. And let me show you also the internet is also working fine. So you can see everything is working fine here. And if you want to shut it down, just click on here, then click on here, and then you can restart it, suspend it, power off, log off, whatever you like. And if you want to minimize this screen again default, just click on here, then click on view, and again click on full screen mode, and you should be able to get this screen now. And you can right click on it and simply stop it, power it off, shut down it. So let me show you. I have just select everything as default, nothing has changed. So I have choose everything as default here guys. I haven't changed these kind of path. When I change the path to D drive, I got the errors. So it's recommended to leave it everything as default. If any errors you are getting, and thereafter you should not get any kind of errors. Okay, so I hope guys this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.